We're back here at the South Plains Lands here in Lubbock, Texas. Mikey and I finished 6th and 7th last time, respectively. And we're trying to one-up it that time. What's up, Flash? Today's practice day. Bowling on 44 feet, I think. We're probably gonna practice as less as possible and then go shopping. Champion. Whoa. I just wanted to say, I already said it. Congratulations.
Thanks, man.
Vlog official here.
Hell yeah.
That was awesome.
It's got to be vlog official. I mean, did it happen if it's not vlog official?
I felt the tingle in my dingle when it happened.
Dude, yeah, it was crazy.
I love it.
Yeah, thanks. It's cool. The coolest part is the house got 3 out of the 4 at the World Series. Yeah. Well, I guess 3 out of 5 if you count the doubles.
Nope, we're not counting 3 out of 5.
We're not counting it, right? So the house did pretty damn good. So now it was awesome. You know, I don't really know what to say. It's all the fans, all the people that watch this stuff right here, man.
Buy the merch.
Yeah, all that. Buy the merch, do all that.
Kyle's my daddy.
Kyle's my daddy.
I gotta go buy that shirt now.
Everyone needs it.
When's this gotta get one?
He's gotta get one now. That's next on the list. I got mine.
Him and Mikey.
Yeah, we just gotta keep racking them up. So.
Brad fucking Miller. What up? You're the vlog's #1 fan.
I've been watching your vlog, especially since when you started league at South Point. I hate league. That is a whole movement, and I'm right behind you.
I think we need to make a shirt. Yeah, to kick off the next season, we'll make a shirt.
I hate league. Yes.
I hate league.
Darren kindly asked me to take over vlogging for him for a little bit. Got some fans out here.
If you're not here at the PBA here in Lubbock, Texas, you should be. Let me show you why. This is why, ladies and gentlemen. The best of the best is here in Texas.
Tang, we're taking over your vlog, bro.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
We're gonna drill some bowling balls as a random rogue phase 2.
Good weather.
This is good weather.
This is not Wauwatosa, Wisconsin.
This is golfing weather. Anyways, I think I'm gonna drill a Wolverine. I'm kind of missing stuff between like phase 2 aspect and then high road pearl. I got Rubicon UC2, but it doesn't look fantastic. And I don't really like the pin and the palm layouts for these longer patterns because they just kind of wiggle.
They don't hook.
They don't hook. So we're gonna do that, or I'm gonna do that.
Trump.
And what are you gonna do?
Because I spoke with Belmo for about 30 minutes.
You gonna do a trend 2?
I'm drilling a trend.
You got you.
It makes sense though. Phase 4 was close. A little deep sometimes, so I need something to pick up in the mid lane a little better.
Okay.
A little bigger cover.
Alright.
Don't really need the diff. It's got 41 diff. Drill it kind of normal 5x3. Should work. If it doesn't, I'm asking Belmo for $45.
Alright. Let's get to it.
Look at all these 15 5s everywhere.
You gotta be strong.
Heavy balls. That's not me. Where the 14's at.
All right, and that's how it's done.
I was really hoping like the straps weren't gonna get you, 'cause I was gonna actually die if that happened.
All right, that's how it's done. We got a bowling ball drilled on the truck again. I don't, you know. If you had to guess how many balls you drilled on the truck so far? Yeah, in the history of your career, how many balls do you think you drilled?
Not too many.
Over 100?
No. I was gonna say like maybe 30.
I might have drilled over 100. No. Well, if I go 15 a year for 6 years,
there's only been one stop where I've drilled like 5.
Bowling's fun. I drilled 8 last week.
A lot of stops I don't drill at all.
If I'm bowling good, I'm drilling a lot. So hopefully I'm drilling a lot this week. Okay, we're back at the bowling center. Our bowling balls should be done. All right, just kidding, our balls are not ready. We only have one truck this week, and there's only one press on this truck, so it's gonna take a little bit more time. If we can get the balls done tonight, it would be fantastic.
We're gonna get some good cocktail.
This is what we do going into the fall.
Oh my God.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Is this live?
Yeah, we're recording.
Whose vlog is it?
Whose vlog is this?
It's Wayne.
Who's Wayne? Oh, Wayne. All right. What's up, everybody? It's Wesley and Ronnie, and welcome to the Wesley and Ronnie Show. Today we're going to discuss country music.
Yeah. What are we discussing about the country?
I just know Darren wouldn't know about it, and Murica.
Does it involve guitars?
Yes.
Does it involve beer?
Yes.
Does it involve trucks?
Yes.
Does it involve hot girls in jean shorts wearing boots?
We can't say that on this channel, but yes.
What was so inappropriate about that?
I don't know, but yes.
I like it. Yes.
I like it too, yes. You
Bikini
just have to
top,
say it.
jean shorts, boots.
TikTok. Hashtag. Hashtag. Go Darren. Welcome to the channel.
All right, we've been notified that our bowling balls are done, so we're gonna go pick them up from the PBA truck, bring them into the paddock where the workout table is, and do what we gotta do. Bang, bang.
What's your ball?
Thank you.
Yep. Hello.
Don still punching holes in balls. Goods acquired.